Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to potentially earn hundreds to thousands of dollars just by reading emails. It is so simple. All you need is a computer, an email address, and zero previous knowledge or experience. Hello, and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Before we get started, we will first need to start by creating a PayPal account if you do not have one already. Even if you have an account, continue watching because you might miss some of our special tricks to make money online. So you need to create a PayPal account because PayPal is one of the easiest methods of payment to transfer straight to your bank account when earning money through the website we're going to be using today. Now that you have a PayPal account to withdraw your earnings, I would like you to head over to paidtoreademail.com. On this homepage, you can see that you can get emails sent daily to your email inbox. Every time you confirm that you have read the emails they sent you, you can get paid. There are no fees and it is completely free to use. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you can be updated every time we come out with a new video that teaches you all kinds of different ways to earn money for free online and in the comfort of your home. Okay, so before you sign up, you're going to need a great working email account. I personally even recommend creating a new account solely for this way of earning money. The reason for this is so that these paying emails that will be sent to you will not get mixed up in the junk mail that tends to flood people's email accounts. I personally do this so that it is clear and organized and easy to keep track of. So head over to Gmail and you can create a free account over there. You can also use Yahoo or any other email platform to create an email account for free. Now, once you get on your homepage, you will be able to see how everything works by browsing their website and scrolling down a little bit. Really, what it comes down to are 3 simple steps. But keep watching this video and I will tell you my own tricks to this. There is a threshold payout of only $15 and you will even earn a bonus $3 when you join and activate your account. And you can even earn more money by referring your friends to this website and you both get paid for it. Okay. Now that you have set up an email account, if you will go back to paidtoreademail.com and right in the middle of the page, you will see the sign up space. You will need to fill in all of the required information and remember, there are no hidden fees. Make sure you use your new email address or old one if you prefer, and continue down through the information that it asks. And then you will have to activate your account, and then you should be all set. Like I said earlier, your account will automatically receive the $3 for signing up. How cool of a bonus is that? All right, so now you see your dashboard. On the right side, you can monitor how much money you have earned from your email inbox and the referrals you have earned money from as well. An added tip on this website is that you can have other ways to earn money, not just from opening emails. When you scroll down, you can see a section that shares all the different ways you can earn money from online activities. For example, There are surveys that you can get cash for between 50 cents to $1 per each survey just by sharing your opinions. So this is another simple way to add to your money making. These surveys are quick and won't take more than 2 minutes to complete. The way to make money is to say you are interested in trying a new product or service for free. Just by browsing, you can see what is available at this time. Okay, and then the way we began from this video is by simply opening and reading emails sent to your personal email account. What you will need to do is click on an image and it will redirect you to another web page. On this web page, you will do absolutely nothing. However, you will need to keep some activity going so that it does not become idle, which will need to be at least 30 seconds. That way, they will not think you are a robot. You can do this over and over again and open tons of emails and click on the images and then browse for about 30 seconds. And as simple as that, you will be able to make more and more money depending on how many times you do this. Now remember, you will need to make $15 before you can withdraw that money from your account. But how easy is that? Just by clicking emails and their links inside, you can earn money over and over again. All right, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first one to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.